You can see Honda, Vespa, Suzuki, BMW. I don't know what is the name of this bike is. Ninja, Harley Davidson. You can see Harley Davidson. So many imported bikes. Oh wow, look at this bike now. I love this one. Hi, well guys, you can see the beautiful street of San Francisco. The one thing I really like about America is see how clean it is. You can see the cars and even the zebra crossing is looking so nice, and people actually wait to cross the road, not like our country India, just people are rushing, which is not even safe. And even you can see now like the huge skyscraper. As I told you before, I am in a commercial area and these all are offices, they are not residential homes. Okay, now like I'm crossing the road and mostly you can even see the people walking in front of me they wore formals, so maybe they are from here nearby working in some offices. I see a lot of shops like Starbucks, Subway. People do really love coffee in America, I must tell you. This on the right hand side, you can see this is a bus stop. Yeah, this is a subway. Okay, and you see this small right hand side. If you see there is a tram. That is a tram. I already sat in that. Is nice, but it's very noisy inside. It's so noisy you can't even talk. I mean, you can talk, but you're not able to hear. This is some juice center or something. And this road, you can see the staircase which is going down. This is for subway to take your metro train. Nothing much. This is a commercial area, as I told you before. Like, and I'm also like I'll be going back on ship now. I'm just showing you the street of San Francisco. I hope you are liking it. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. The reason I tell you, because the more likes and subscribe I see, so I think like, okay fine, people are watching and I keep making more videos then. Another crossing, see the tram. It's look like I'm in a future or in past. Okay, this bus look comfortable, but the tram, believe me, it's not comfortable at all. The sound which it was making inside, like you can't even talk. And in America, people do really like cycling, which is very good. In India also, we should promote cycling. Park nicely made. People are running, getting late for their job maybe. This is a small place where people can sit. Nothing much, I mean. See guys, I really want to make more videos, but I'll tell you one thing, because it's a little difficult for me when I work for 10 to 12 hours and there's no proper internet I get. So I'm not able to upload, and I have made videos but I'm not able to upload it because no internet connection. Well guys, you can see this is a match between some European country. It's a football match. People are watching, sitting in a park. Well, guys, I am going back on board. My time is up because I have a training and then drill, then I have to join the work. So tell me, did you like my video? I mean, how was it? And did you find San Francisco interesting? I did, but the problem is this: I have a very less time today, so I cannot go downtown where exactly you'll see the local shop and the local crowd. These areas are mostly populated by tourists. So before going, I'll show you more shots of San Francisco. Well, guys, this is the way I go back to my ship, my shelter, my home, whatever you want to call. And you see that lady is coming on a bicycle is like you can actually rent this bicycle. Rent means you can take a ride on that, you need to pay. And this road is mainly, I think, for jogging and people to go to their places, because since when I'm out here, like I've seen so many people jogging and cycling. It's very good. So, and on the right hand side you see all kinds of bars and shops. But in San Francisco, I should tell you one thing: I've seen people running. I mean, maybe because of this a commercial area, people just running for their offices and all this, and they all dress up in formals. So nothing else. Like, don't feel like, I mean, I want to see Silicon Valley, which was like 1.5 hours away from here, but I did not have that much time to go there. So maybe next time. See, again, one person again jogging. They really like to jog, I think, Americans. No wonder why they are so fit. So guys, you can see some of the beautiful street of San Francisco.